Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video will be about this tractor, the AGCO White Farm. The best part about it is this trailer hitch on the back, which we can use to attach a trailer, for example, like this grain trailer, which I think is pretty cool. As you can see the details, there's an exhaust steering wheel inside, grill piece detail, and also some these 1x1 round blade for some more detailing on the edge. So yeah, let's get right into the tutorial on how to make this. And we have finished our AGCO White Tractor.